Took me a minute. That feels good. Oh, he's huge. Huge, 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 huge. Oh my gosh. That's a 2-pounder easy. Heck yeah, guys. Oh yeah. Shoot yeah. That's a big old dog. Okay, first thing we're going to do is go upriver a little bit. .2. All right, let's look at Navionics and see if we got a creek channel in here. 19 foot. There's a hole right there, right in front of that dock. I'm going there. All right, guys, here's what I'm looking at right here. So I'm coming up the creek channel, and right up here in front of a dock, there's a 19-foot hole surrounded by 5-foot water. So crappie could stack up in that hole right there, especially if there's anybody dropped any structure or any structure settled its way into that hole from, you know, the current. So let's go check that hole out right now. It's always a little nerve-wracking when you go to a brand new spot. You know, you want to make sure you do good. There's never a guarantee on that. And you don't really know where to start. A lot of people think having live scope is just an automatic miracle and you're gonna catch every fish in the lake, and that's just not true. Oh no, back panoptics. All right, so what do we got? Navionics shows us right in the center of it. So we're in that deep hole right in the middle of it. We want to look around the edges. Oh, there they are. Look at that, guys. Right away, I found them in 2 seconds. Like literally. Wow. Look at that. My first drop, my first look, they are stacked up right there. Now, if they're underneath that dock, we won't be able to get to them. Let's just spot lock right here. And let's just start like kind of looking at what we can do. I can see what I can't do. I want to see what I can do. Let's go around to the back side and just see what it looks like. There's just too many there not to at least look. Let's see if it's even possible to shoot this dock. Like, is it even possible? I don't know. That's gonna be rough. How far back are they? Oh, they're back there. They're smart. They know where they need to be. 15 feet is where they are. 15 to 20. And they are underneath there. I might could get some. We could try. There's a hole. Those fish are so far in there. It's gonna be a nightmare. Oh, got one. Yep. Okay, that's a small one. That's a small one. But we got one. We got one out of there. So let's see if they're all little. We'll hit a few, see what we get. There we go. There's one. Fish on. That's a good one. I feel that one. That's a good one. Oh, heck yeah. Let him go. Not a bad fish, not a good one. Hey guys, I've been here 5 minutes and we found crappie under a dock. Wonder if I shot straight back. I don't know. I don't think they're outside of that. I think they're under there. Yeah, let's see how that works. pretty far back. Probably 25 or 30 feet. I'm outside that strike zone. They're underneath the dock. Yeah, under it, completely under it. I can see a few, but all right, we can't get to these fish. Man, I hate to leave them. I really do, but we got to. There's no way to fish for them. So what I'm looking at right now, guys, is right here we got a feeder creek, and it's 14-foot hole right in front of it. Right out here, it's 14 foot deep. So it's a possibility we could have some fish right there, but we're gonna go check. There's not really a hard bank. There's a pretty good drop off right there. We could check that. It's just around the corner. Gives us a few things to look at. This is what we're looking for right here, right now. Got a feeder creek coming into the main river, a 14-foot hole out in front of it. That's what we're gonna look for. Let's see what we got. 50, oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there. A little bit of structure set up in this mouth. Nice little drop off. Structure on it. Spot lock. All right, we got rock and structure. Not seeing a lot of fish or nothing. Wonder I should go look up this creek. One way to find out. Let's go do it. I like to adventure, but coming upriver was a mistake, and then going an hour up this creek was an even bigger mistake. I wasted half the day just to end up right where I started. Oh, right there. Got him. That's a good one. That's a good one. I don't know what it is, but it's a good fish. Oh, it's a big crappie, guys. Big crappie. Flip him in. Boom! Yes, sir. I broke off right at my knot, guys. Right, but I got him in. So we know we're doing better getting closer to the lake, looks like. Let me go ahead and plug this up. He's gonna flop a couple times and get me wet. All right. Give him some water. Give him some water. All right, we got to tie that back on. There's one. There he goes. Got him. You don't think he's too big? Yeah, he's big. Oh, yeah. Good big black, too. Awesome. He came out after it. He didn't look that big. And I thought, well, I'll take the fish, but he doesn't look that big. Nice fish. Got one. There we go. That's a good one. I'll take that one. Heck yeah. That's one's going in the live well. Yeah, we're doing the right thing now. We kind of got it dialed in. Kind of dialing it in. Kind of dialing it in. Gold is getting it done today. Let's see if we can figure it out. Where these fish are actually set up. Or how. And do the best we can to catch them. Got him. Fish on. Man, these little or small ones on this pile. May have to move in a minute if we don't get any better fish. I think that one's a keeper, but I don't need them that little. I don't need them that small. Got that one. Took me a minute. That feels good. Oh, he's huge. Huge. Oh my gosh. That's a 2-pounder easy. Heck yeah, guys. Oh, yeah. Shoot, yeah. That's a big old dog. That's a big old dog. Whoo, hoo, hoo. Yes, sir. I'll take that. That's money. That's money in the bank right there. That's a big old crappie. Oh, got that one. Oh, big crappie. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, heck yeah. I am having some serious trouble with this line and these jigs. I don't know what the heck. I don't know if I've got sharp edges from paint or what. But look at that one. I broke off at the knot again. So no, I don't know. Maybe I'm just scuffing that line up. I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. That's a very, very strong line. So, okay. Further out. Got one. There he is. Nice crappie. Black too. Sweet. Heck yeah, those are big ones. Big old crappie. Sweet. Heck yeah, look at that. Pretty. Drop him in there with some other big ones. Some other nice ones. We don't need too many more, guys. I mean, we got more than we need already. We'll just kind of play around out here and just kind of see what these other ones are doing. Just kind of mess around. Got him. Another one. Ooh, that's a white bass probably. Oh, he's a big one. Yeah, that's a... Oh, no, that's a crappie. Oh, my God, that's a big crappie, guys. I don't want to boat flip this one, but I'm going to have to. Ooh, big one. Look at that sucker. Ooh, that's a black, so he's got a little mouth, but he is big crappie. I thought that was a white bass when he took off. That is another one that's probably at least 1.5 pounds, if not more. Big old fish. All right. Guys, I'll tell you what, I'm having a good time today. Got to do a little dock shooting. Really wasn't like trying to do that. I just saw those fish and decided to pick on them for a little bit, and they were just little, you know. So I didn't really stick around there too long, and then here's another one right there. Oh, I'm gonna get hung up. Missed him. Got him. Got him. Another good one, guys. Oh, yeah. Another good one. Let's get it in. Get it in. Get it in. Boom. Big one. Woo-hoo. He's not giant. That one's like a 12.5 probably. But I will take it. Trust me. We're putting slabs in the boat, guys. Slabs in the boat. PureCrappie.com. Oh, they got feisty and knocked. They got... They're big ones. They're acting crazy. Knocked the plug loose. Knocked all the water out. Got him. Fish. Oh my gosh. That's a nice one. Oh yeah, big crappie. Oh heck yeah. Golly, guys, there's some big ones in here today. There's some big crappie in here today. Again, this isn't a 15-incher, but it's a good size fish. Good size fish. Oh. They knocked that loose again. They did. Quit! Quit knocking the plug out. If they quit knocking the plug out, they wouldn't run out of water. All right, guys, I'm done. That's it. I mean, geez. How many fish do you actually need to catch? I mean, at some point you just gotta say enough's enough, and I'm gonna say that right now. We're gonna wrap it up, call it good. I don't need no more. We're all good. Get these rods stacked up over here, everything on here. Man, what a good day. I had a fun day. Had a fun day. Strap it all up.